Welcome back to the Passive Playbook. Alam mo ba na ang design at furnishing ng condo mo ang susi para makakuha ng more bookings at 5-star reviews sa Airbnb? Kahit on a budget, pwede mong gawing Instagram-worthy ang unit mo. For today's video, I'll show you how to turn a simple condo into a dream destination for travelers. It's not just about a place to stay, it's about creating an experience. You don't need to break the bank to make your space look and feel luxurious. With smart choices and creativity, you can turn your condo into a booking magnet. Ready? Let's start your design journey. First impressions matter, loves. They truly do. In the fast-paced world of online rentals, you have mere seconds to capture someone's attention. Make it count. In Airbnb, your photos are your digital storefront. Think of them as the windows to your condo's soul. Guests scroll through pictures before reading anything else. It's a visual feast and you need to serve up something delicious. So make them stop and stare. Grab their attention and don't let go. A well-designed space with great photos creates instant emotional connection. It's that wow factor that turns a browser into a booker. Good design isn't just for photos, it's about delivering on the promise when guests arrive. The real magic happens when the experience matches the expectation. A comfy bed, thoughtful layout, and stylish touches make guests feel cared for. It's the little things that elevate a stay from ordinary to extraordinary. Happy guests leave 5-star reviews, which means more bookings and higher income. It's a virtuous cycle that all starts with great design. Standout design lets you charge better rates and get featured more on Airbnb. Visibility is key, and design helps you rise to the top. It's not just decor, it's a smart business move. Think of it as an investment in your Airbnb's future. Design is the heart of a successful Airbnb. It's what sets you apart from the competition. It's the silent host that welcomes guests and makes them want to return. That repeat business is the holy grail of Airbnb hosting. Don't just provide a bed, create a memorable experience. Give them something to rave about to their friends. That's the real goal. Let's make your space unforgettable. Let's transform it into a guest magnet. Let's break down the essentials for creating a truly memorable and profitable Airbnb space. We're going to cover the key elements that will transform your property from a simple rental into a sought-after destination. The bed is your centerpiece, the anchor of the entire room. It's where your guests will spend a significant portion of their time, so it needs to be inviting and comfortable. Invest in a high-quality, comfy mattress that offers excellent support and ensures a restful night's sleep. And don't skimp on the linens, opt for crisp, white bedding. Layer with plush pillows in varying sizes and textures, and add a cozy throw blanket for that luxurious hotel feel. These details elevate the entire experience. Add functional furniture that enhances the usability of the space. Think about including a small side table next to the bed for convenience, a comfy chair for reading or relaxing, and smart storage solutions to keep the space tidy and organized. Choose pieces that fit the space perfectly. Multifunctional furniture is always best, especially in smaller apartments. Consider a sofa bed or a coffee table with built-in storage. Lighting sets the mood and can dramatically impact the ambience of your Airbnb. Avoid harsh overhead lights. They can feel sterile and unwelcoming. Instead, layer with lamps, both table lamps and floor lamps, and use warm-toned bulbs to create a soft, inviting glow. Accent lighting, like string lights or strategically placed spotlights, makes everything feel cozy and Instagrammable, encouraging guests to share their experience. Add personality with carefully chosen wall decor that reflects your style and the character of the space. Frame prints, whether they're photographs, illustrations, or abstract art, postcards from your travels, or use a big mirror to open up the space and make it feel larger and brighter. Stick to a cohesive color palette. Pick 2 or 3 main colors and repeat them in your decor, from the walls to the accessories. This creates a polished, high-end look that guests will appreciate and remember. Don't overcrowd the space. Less is more when it comes to creating a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. Every detail, from the placement of the furniture to the selection of the accessories, should feel intentional and contribute to the overall aesthetic. These thoughtful touches turn a basic unit into a boutique stay that stands out from the competition. Guests notice the difference, and they'll appreciate the extra effort you've put into creating a comfortable and stylish space. That's how you get those 5-star reviews and build a reputation as a top-notch Airbnb host. Want to give your condo a high-end look? Here's how to achieve that expensive aesthetic without the hefty price tag. We're diving into some savvy strategies to transform your space. Embrace the charm of secondhand finds from thrift stores. You can discover unique items with character. Don't forget to explore online marketplaces for hidden gems. Look for solid, quality pieces that you can refresh with a coat of paint. A little elbow grease can go a long way. Elevate the look further with new hardware. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Shop online smartly and strategically. Always wait for those big sales events and diligently compare prices across different retailers. Consider buying decor bundles for maximum savings. Get crafty and try DIY projects. Experiment with peel-and-stick wallpaper for an instant transformation. Adorn your walls with simple art or framed prints. Remember, small upgrades can make a surprisingly big impact on the overall feel of your condo. Think about things like new cabinet handles or even just matching hangers in your closet. Introduce low-maintenance plants to bring life and a pop of color into your space. Ultimately, it's about creativity and resourcefulness, not the amount of money you spend. Focus on those small details that can really elevate the space and give it a polished look. With these budget-friendly tricks, you can transform your unit from basic to boutique style. Your guests will definitely feel the difference and appreciate the stylish touches. And the best part? Your wallet will thank you for being so savvy. A beautiful space is just the start. Now, create an unforgettable guest experience. Stock essentials, universal chargers, hair dryer, iron, and kitchen basics like coffee and tea. Cleanliness is non-negotiable. Deep clean every corner. Consider hiring a pro cleaner between guests. Thoughtful touches matter. A handwritten note, welcome basket, or a local guidebook. Make everything easy. Label switches and cabinets, and use a smart lock for hassle-free check-in. Convenience is luxury. The easier and more welcoming you make their stay, the better your reviews. Anticipate needs, exceed expectations. That's how you stand out. Happy guests become repeat guests, and they'll tell the world about your place. That's 5-star hosting. Small condo? No problem. Here's how to make it feel bigger and brighter. Use large mirrors to reflect light and create depth. Hang curtains high and wide to make windows look larger. Choose light, airy fabrics for maximum brightness. Get things off the floor. Use floating shelves for storage and display. Pick furniture with legs to keep the space open. Keep surfaces tidy and organized. Less clutter, more space. Use decorative boxes or baskets to hide mess. Group items thoughtfully on shelves. Stick to a one-in, one-out rule to avoid overcrowding. A clean, organized space always feels more luxurious. Be intentional with every item. Small space, big impact. That's it, loves. My secrets for a stunning, successful Airbnb on a budget. Creativity and heart go a long way. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Share your favorite tip or your own design hacks in the comments. Let's build a community of hosts helping each other succeed. Your journey inspires me. Let's keep creating beautiful spaces together. See you in the next video. Up next, we'll talk about the real numbers. How much can you actually earn from one Airbnb unit? I'll break down income, costs, and strategies to maximize your profit. We'll cover occupancy rates, pricing, and hidden expenses. It's the business masterclass you need. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. We've covered the heart. Now let's talk about the smarts. See you in the next video. That's a wrap for today. Remember, your space is your canvas. Every detail creates memories for your guests. Thanks for watching and being part of this community. Stay inspired, keep creating, and see you in the next video.